Nature is a mix of wonder and danger, often leaving us in awe but sometimes causing great destruction. Yellow TV is here to reveal some astonishing moments that are sure to surprise you. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest videos. Well, that's one way to get a free car wash. But I'm guessing these folks didn't sign up for the Deluxe Tsunami package. Note to self, next time, park further from Mother Nature's wild spa day. Ever wondered what happens when your car takes a wrong turn into a river? Well, here's your answer. Looks like someone's GPS decided to lead them straight into nature's ultimate water park, complete with an impromptu rafting adventure. Who knew a leisurely drive could turn into a wild, wet ride? Now that's what you call luck. This lady on her scooter just barely dodged a massive landslide. Talk about timing. Sometimes life throws rocks at you, but she just kept rolling. Stay sharp and always be ready for life's unexpected twists. When the ocean decides to take a stroll through town, you know it's not your average wave. This wild tsunami in Madagascar is giving beachfront property a whole new meaning. Sometimes Mother Nature just likes to rearrange the furniture, no permission needed. Massachusetts waves are throwing icy punches, and the seawall's taking the hit. Winter's got the coast looking like a powdered donut, sweet but dangerous. Nalchik's summer just got a winter makeover. Hail turned the streets into a frosty wonderland, Mother Nature's twist on seasons. When you're just enjoying the view, and Mother Nature decides to strike, literally. This lightning bolt hit the tree so fast it's like he couldn't wait to make a point. Remember folks, lightning doesn't send warnings, but it sure knows how to make an entrance. Talk about a close call. This meteor was like, hey Australia, mind if I drop in? Good thing it landed a bit offshore instead of on someone's beach towel. Just another day of nature reminding us who's boss. Iceland's got its own party trick. Nature's version of a champagne pop, but with way more steam. Whale sharks at the buffet. Even with predators around, these gentle giants know how to dine in style. Formentera's getting a wild ride. With winds like these, it's less of a sail and more of a roller coaster. Hold on tight. Looks like Calgary threw a hail dance party. Those ice balls are busting moves all over the street. Saint-Pierre de Torello just hosted the ultimate lemon drop. Hailstones the size of lemons smashing down like they own the place. Imagine planning a peaceful day by the sea, only to be greeted by Mother Nature's spinning surprise. Sochi decided to show off its own dance of the clouds with this incredible water spout. When the Earth decides to shake things up, Japan gets surprise waterworks. Ground cracks just became instant fountains. Ever seen a glowing underwater noodle? Meet the pyrosome, a 60-foot-long colony of tiny creatures cruising the ocean like a slow-motion parade. How about we call it the sea burrito? Drop your name ideas in the comments. Just when you thought your beach day in Indonesia was going to be all sunshine and relaxation, a 7.7 magnitude earthquake gives you a front row seat to a surprise tsunami show. No need for a water park. Mother Earth brought the waves to you. Who needs roller coasters when you have waves like this? Nature's thrill ride. Just make sure to hang on tight. When Mother Nature decides to BBQ in Karsiaka, Izmir. The flames are intense, but at least it's the hottest show in town. Let's hope this fire cools down soon. Salerno's streets just turned into Venice 2.0. Who needs gondolas when your car floats? This city is taking the waterway commute to a whole new level. Just remember to pack a life jacket along with your morning coffee.
Troppo,